Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming essentials: a modern Android or iOS device, a stable connection, and your ID details. Once installed, open the app and allow camera and storage permissions so uploads work later. Tap Sign Up if new, or sign in with your registered email and OTP. Make sure your phone number matches the ID on file. This prevents verification delays. Enter a secure PIN for quick access. Once done, you land on the app dashboard and are ready to proceed. You now complete the in-app profile by entering name, date of birth, and address exactly as shown on your ID. Accuracy speeds approval. Next, upload clear documents, use JPEG or PDF under 5 MB and ensure legible text. Once uploaded, choose the service or scheme you want and answer eligibility questions honestly. The app cross-checks entries automatically. Review all fields, then tap Submit. After submission, you'll see a confirmation and expected processing timeline. Make sure notifications are enabled to track progress. You finish by tracking your application in the Track tab, where status, reference ID, and expected dates appear. When a decision arrives, verify any requested e-signatures or additional uploads immediately. Download and save receipts to your device for records. If something goes wrong, try predictable fixes. Clear the app cache, restart the app, and re-upload documents, ensuring file size and format rules are met. If issues persist, contact in-app support with your reference ID and a short description.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.